Today, it's actually my first video on my new account. It's been a while, I know. I've got a 90 Jeep Wrangler. I bought full doors for it because some came with half doors. Paid $200 for them and a hardtop, which I sold in turn. Sold that for $200. The rims on it, they're American racing rims. They're 10.5 inches wide. A 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Been sitting here for a couple days. It's about 30 degrees Fahrenheit out. It should start. It was made in Canada, of course. It's gonna start. It's made in Canada. Of course, I have to keep the camera hidden because a woman across the street likes to call the cops because I'm driving a Jeep and I'm underage. God forbid, lady. It should start. Got 129,000 miles on it. So the temperature gauge is broken. Actually, it gets up to a certain temperature, then it stops and it freezes there. Every once in a while, if we beat on it, it might work. So we've got 10 volts. So let's see if she's gonna start 5-speed. Give it a try. Wow. That's awesome. Test drive, anyone? I'm up for it. Of course, got the transfer case right there. Oh, no. Four-wheel drive, of course. Nice scenic backyard. Got some pine, it's free. This hardwood, it's gonna cost you $300 US dollars a cord. Bumpy ride. I would. See if I can fix this. Nope. Oh, it's moving up a little bit. It's going up. Holy crap. This does not have air conditioning. That's basically basic, so not much to say about that. Only paid $700 for it. I'm happy. See you later.